Good morning everyone, welcome to Stock Market News and Views brought to you by Ray Financial. Today is Wednesday, October 31st, 2012. Guys, let's get straight into the charts. So what we have in front of us is the live chart of Nifty, and my analysis for November is pretty clear. We have finally broken a range that we have seen in the month of October, and that was on the lower side it was 5630 and on the upper side it was 5730. We have tested these areas multiple times, and it was very difficult to judge in which direction the market was finally going to move. But yesterday, when RBI announced that they are not going to cut the repo rates and they have only gone ahead and reduced CRR by 25 basis points, the market did not take that in a positive manner, and we finally broke the 5630 range. Now I feel that the market has got major support at this gap window, and the next support is this gap fill. Then another major support is this gap window, and the biggest support I feel is this gap fill. Notice this, I'll just mark out the areas for you. I'll tell you the price. Just give me a second. So the first support area is 5,575. The second is 5,550. The third is 5,330. I feel the market could just come till 5,330 provided that there are no more negative news, because we have elections in the US coming up. If I don't know how the market would react if Obama gets to be the president again for the next 4 years, and how it would react if Romney comes in. So I guess that's something we need to watch out. Also keep in mind that Greece has finally spoken with some international investors, and they have agreed to come up with new austerity measures, and the government themselves have realized that Greece is in need of this austerity measure. So if they get another funding, I believe the European markets will have a positive effect based on this news. Also keep in mind that the US markets were closed for 2 consecutive days, and this has not happened since I guess the 1880s or really long time back. Now it is because of the Hurricane Sandy. How the US market will open today is little unpredictable, because the futures are not down. Dow futures, what I have is just minus 13, and the S&P is plus 1. So it's really hard to judge, even though there has been major losses. It's approximated to be around I guess 10 to 15 billion dollars of losses. Also note, if the US markets do gap down, I guess we will also move with the flow. But just keep in mind these 3 levels. That's the first one is 5575, then you have 5550 and 5530. If by any chance we see another major correction, then I have a strong feeling that 5430 will be a great support for Nifty, and a lot of people could go long on the futures, buy the calls, even write puts. You could start accumulating positions in certain stocks and trade long, because I feel by that time the market will have support of the E89 as it comes down. Stocks to watch out, I've already given a lot of stocks for November, and yesterday we achieved close to 70% of our target. And the way the market is going today, I feel that within the next 2-3 days, all the stocks that I gave, the targets will be achieved sooner than expected. I'll just also show you how our performance was in October. These are the scripts that I gave out in the month of October. I gave out Hindalco, we achieved this long. M&M was a short, MTNL was a short, NTPC was a long. We still haven't achieved our target, but we are in the position. So we are hoping that we reach the target of 181. So the guys who would like to enter NTPC can do so. PNB was a short, but unfortunately we did not get the confirmation, and the stock just fell. Like we missed our entry point by close to 10 points, and just from those levels PNB has fallen down. So our strategy was right, but it's just that we did not get to enter the trade at our own price. Reliance Capital was another short. Anantraj, this is the ticker symbol, but this trade just went in the opposite direction, but that doesn't matter as long we had more winners than losers. Syntex also was a great call, and LIC Housing Finance, we wrote an option and we made full 100% on this trade. Had also given out trades on USD INR and Euro INR, and those trades were also good. Basically just stick to the levels that I've given. I would definitely look at L&T, ICICIBank, Hindalco. I have Apollo Tyre, Oro Pharma, CESC. This stock is really taking a beating, so keep your eyes on this. I think it will be a great accumulation level. I'll just open the weekly chart. It will be great opportunity to buy this stock again at 247 and between 247 and 259. So just keep your eyes on this stock. They have acquired another firm, and that's the reason the market has not taken this very positively, but it's no big deal. I like Hindalco also. Look to accumulate the stock around the 109 area, or you could even look to accumulate at hundreds. We have even India Bulls. I feel this stock is a little overbought, and it needs some further correction. Infosys looks like, the trend is it needs to break. It needs to start moving about 2,400 to see more upside. JP Associates is also one stock that has extended, and I feel it's a great accumulation at the 75 area. You have LIC Housing Finance, which is also good opportunity to go long at 235 area, and you have L&T. I think it's extended, so just be careful. Stock could face some correction. RCOM, I feel RCOM is great buy at around 50, but just be really careful of RCOM, because on the daily chart it just seems to have lost its bullish view, because it has kind of not made a new high. It's not making a higher high. All it's doing is just coming down. But just keep a watch on this. And Syntex, no, I don't think I would trade Syntex. But on the commodities, what I like is alumini. You could go long on alumini, because this metal has corrected significantly from 118 levels. It's come back to 102. I went long yesterday at 102.75 and exited today at 104. I still see opportunity to go long. My target would be 105 and then 108. So you could play this long. Keep in mind, even nickel is good metal to go long, but the thing is that I did not get the opportunity to go long on nickel, because the stock just reached this area and has taken off. My order entry was around 860, but it never reached there, missed by 2 points, and the stock and this particular metal is just now gone up. My first target on nickel is 886 or 893, between that range. If I have anything, Well, I guess that's it for now. Just keep your eyes on Nifty. Just watch out for these levels. I don't know how the US market is going to open. I have a feeling that it's definitely going to gap down. You will see a lot of insurance stocks that are going to be in the red, because it's time that a lot of companies and auto insurance, building insurance, infrastructure insurance, all of these insurance companies, they are going to start getting a lot of claims for the damages that has been incurred due to the hurricane. So guys, just stay tuned, keep in touch, and I want to thank you for viewing this video. If you have any questions, the details are on your screen. You can email me. We are on Facebook, we are on YouTube, we have our own website. Just simply log on, email us, subscribe to us, and get the market information way in hand. Just don't come into the markets and donate your money. Make profits, increase your capital, and do it the right way. Alright guys, I need to get back to trading, so just want to thank you once again. Wish you a great trading day and hope to see you soon again. Thanks.